This one? You can't reach it, honey. It's still too small.
Mommy, Daddy.
Mommy, Daddy.
No, Daddy, Mommy.
Yeah.
No.
Mano ka karon. Oh,
yourself, don't you?
matagak lugar ka. Mano ka. Uy.
Oh, that's it.
Enough, that's it.
Now, Ui. Good girl.
Good job. Good daddy ka.
No.
Like anak, oy. Ah, siya guys, oh. Uy, na po na. Hawak kamay na po na siya guys.
Come on, honey.
Well done, honey.
Come on.
No.
Make it straight.
Play.
Hello, anak. Biya anak ang daddy. Ano, bye-bye. Bye-bye, daddy. And that's why, badlungan man ka. Mama. No, mama is not, daddy is not leaving you. Oy, daddy is checking if there's duck. Lagi ka po yung nakabaklay. Kaya ayun, lagi pagkabadlong. Biyanin ka.
Daddy duck.
Daddy duck.
Mommy duck.
Mommy duck. Who else nak?
Baby duck.
Oh, baby duck. Yes. How about tita duck? Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel, guys. So it is afternoon ba guys? Gabi na guys kasi 6:30 na guys. So I think it's good evening. Good evening guys. So it is Friday night guys, and we are currently at the garage now guys. I've got Paris in the car. Daddy decided na pupunta kami ng pupunta kami ng park somewhere. Hindi pa namin napuntahan guys. Daddy said mga around 20 minutes drive from here guys. So pupuntahan namin dun guys para ma-enjoy si Paris guys, kasi nga nag-work from home ako today, di ba guys? Kasi Friday. Tapos din si Daddy guys. Hello.
Hi. There you go.
So, yeah, nag-work ako from home today, guys. Kaya si Paris hindi nakalabas. Kaya, ayun ni Mike, guys, pag si Paris na lang sa bahay. Nakulong lang sa bahay. Kaya, punta kami doon ngayon, guys. Kahit buti naman hindi maagang dumilim dito, guys. Kasi nga, summer pa tayo ngayon, guys. I think last day, second to the last day of summer. Is it, Daddy?
I think so.
Is it Feb? It's the last month. Summer. Yeah. So, kaya guys, pupunta kami ngayon doon. Medyo ginaw-ginaw siya guys, pero okay lang naman, hindi talagang freezing talaga guys. So, we're gonna go now guys, and we'll take you with us, and we will discover this park together guys, kasi nga hindi pa nga kami nakapunta doon. So, come guys. So guys, nandito na kami guys. Ayan na si Daddy at si Paris guys. Nandun na yung park. Nilak ko lang yung sasakyan guys. Very quiet here guys. Oh, kasi nga naman guys, sino nga bang pupunta ng park at 7 o'clock, di ba? Malapit lang pala siya guys. Hindi siya mukhang 15 minutes lang siya guys. Kanina siguro pag check ni Daddy guys, maybe traffic pa kaya sabi 20 minutes. Pero hindi siya masyadong malayo sa amin. Very lang siya guys. Oh. Ayan yung park. Pero may mga pwedeng barbecuehan dyan guys. Oh. During sunny days, maganda pumunta sa mga lugar na ganito guys. Ayan na siya guys. Oh, laro na siya guys.
Mommy, Daddy, look.
Daddy, look.
Give me the pencil.
Where would you like? Oh, slides. Ayan siya guys. Nakulong kasi sa bahay ng guys, whole day. Kaya yan, very excited. Sabi niya guys, park, play, huh?
What's that one?
No, honey, that's for you know when they have wheelchair and that? Oh, that deal's there. The swing is for wheelchair use only. You're not reading. Hi. Come down, sweetheart.
One.
Oi, careful na ka. Shh, shh. Slide. Yay!
Good girl.
Yes. Careful. Sit down. Sit down.
Don't tell her that. Just let her go. Do this with her.
Huh?
Don't like the obvious way.
Yeah.
From here.
Ito yung ano guys, oh.
Daddy.
Konti lang pala guys. Hindi naman masyadong marami yung laro-laro nila dito guys. But it's okay. It's good for Paris to be out kasi nga guys. Yung energy niya guys.
Dinosaurs.
Through the roof yung energy niya guys. Kailangan niyang i-relax.
Dinosaurs. Woohoo! Go.
Guys, oh very clean guys no. Very green and clean.
Whoa!
Minsan guys na ano niya, napapansin niya pag nagvi-video ako, ayaw niya mag-slide. What's that? Which one? This one? You can't reach it, honey. It's still too small.
Mommy, Daddy.
Mommy, daddy.
Down behind her.
No, Daddy, Mommy.
Yeah.
No.
Mano ka karon.
You know
Oh,
yourself, don't you?
matagak lugar ka. Mano ka. Uy.
Oh, that's it.
Enough, that's it.
Down. Wee. Good girl.
Good job. Go, daddy ka. Daddy will. Here, oh, daddy. Iana siya, daddy, oh. Here.
It's very hard.
Like, carry her. And,
Come out.
ah, here, even here.
She's gonna go on this one.
Does she like it? This one. She loves hanging.
Up.
Up. She is very chatty today, guys. Grabe. Para ano na guys, si Paris guys, ano na siya guys, magto 2 years old na siya ngayong Wednesday kasi 4th of March yan siya. Tapos ngayon guys, slowly na siya nagpo-form ng mga sentence. Ganun kayo ng umaga guys, pag nagising yan siya ng umaga. Nagsisend kami ng video sa daddy niya guys. Sabi, good morning daddy, ganun. Tapos sabi niya guys, daddy, work? Alam niya guys, alam niya na nag-work yung daddy niya. Tapos sabi ko, what do you want daddy to bring for you when he comes home? Sabi niya guys, daddy, food? So ganun guys. He's very, guys, she's very smart. Good morning daddy! Good morning sa daddy na.
Daddy.
Daddy!
Daddy, look.
Daddy work? Yes. I told you this morning, you're very smart. Daddy's working, but Daddy's coming home tonight. Just give Daddy a kiss.
Hey.
What would you like for Daddy to bring for you when Daddy comes home?
Daddy, food.
Food. Okay, Daddy, bring her food, Daddy, when you come home.
Daddy.
Go.
Ayun guys.
Daddy,
Hindi
go
ako
after you.
mapakita na ano guys, na mag-video guys kasi ayaw niya mag-slide pag nakita siyang may
Daddy, go.
nag-video.
No. No. Daddy.
I'll wait for you here, anak. Come on. Come on.
No, Daddy.
Daddy's not going. Baby,
Up.
baby, go first.
Up.
Lie down.
Hi.
Now you want to go up, don't you?
Up.
Paris, look.
Up. Oh, that one, nak. She loves that.
Hold.
Come on. Come on, let's go see the ducks.
Come on.
Where's your scooter?
Mission.
Swim ka karon? No, that's not swim, nak. That's not swing, anak. That's for the one wheelchair, nak.
Ducks.
Come on, follow daddy ka.
Duck. Duck.
Duck.
Go, baby.
Dinosaurs. Rawr.
Careful.
Careful, nak.
Careful. Ducks here.
Where are the ducks? It's there. Where? Pataka ramon ka, nak.
Come on.
Duck. Ride the scooter na. To the ducks. Yeah, that way.
Go. Good girl.
Good job. Good job, honey. Dahil na kita makaabot sa duck, ani nak. Yeah, push.
Come Come on, baby. Let's go look at the ducks.
That's a duck.
Yeah, come on.
Duck.
Come on. We're gonna look at the duck.
Big girl naman kay kanak, oy. Ah, siya guys, oh. Uy, na po na. Hawak kamay na po na siya, guys.
Come on, honey.
Well done, honey.
Keep looking.
Good job. Be careful, there's a bike coming,
Be
huh?
careful. Be careful, baby.
Yeah, bike. Yeah, he's got a bigger bike than yours. There's another one. Can you carry that one, please, Daddy?
Good job.
Good job.
You're doing really well, Baba.
Can you see the ducks now? No, there's no ducks yet, Daddy. I don't think there's ducks here, Daddy.
There's a lake.
Where's the lake?
We'll keep walking and we'll see it. Come on.
Duck. Can you see duck now, honey?
Yellow duck. Yellow duck.
Huh?
Yellow duck.
Yellow duck? Yes.
Let's go straight. Hold on. Hold on.
No! No, Daddy.
Go.
Okay, you do it. You do it yourself. Okay.
Okay, Daddy. You duck. You duck.
Yeah, we'll go see the duck.
Let's go now.
So she's on the stage now, guys, na ayaw niyang ayaw niyang tulungan siya, guys. Feel niya independent na siya, guys. Ayaw niyang magbahawak pag bumababa siya sa stairs, ganun. Ayaw niya, guys. Gusto niya siya lang talaga. Nung pumunta ako na guys, nung pinick up po siya sa childcare, sabi ng teacher niya, she's very independent kasi nga daw nag sila ng guys, evacuation ba sa school, guys. Tapos yung iba daw, guys, what's going on? Here.
That's right.
Yung iba daw, guys, ang tawag nito, crawl ba sila, guys? Tapos siya, guys, ayaw niyang pahawak, guys. Doon siya sa yung rail ba, guys, naghawak-hawak siya ng ganyan.
Yeah.
Good job. Straight, anak. Kamataga ka di, anak. Come on. Huh? Come on. Fish. Dumidilim na siya, guys, kasi 7 o'clock na siya.
Paris, not over here.
Normally, guys, pag
yeah.
pag summer, guys, 7 o'clock. Okay pa yan, guys, kasi 9 o'clock 9 o'clock nagsa-sunset. Kaya lang today, kasi very cloudy today, kaya ganito, guys. Good job, my love. Where's the duck? I don't know. It's there. Yes. Come on, let's go. Duck. Let's go find the duck. Good job. Fish. Yeah, fish too. Bago pa to siya natutong guys, mag-scooter. Nung pa, last week pa yan siya natuto.
Make it straight.
Baby.
Make it straight.
Huh?
Baby.
Bear? This no. Daddy, careful, Daddy. Daddy.
Paris, make it straight. Come on, this way.
Oh, careful, nak. Babangga na ka, nak. Gay, wa man nilisin siya.
Make it straight.
Straight.
Suck.
Paris.
Ask for help.
Suck.
Ask for daddy help.
Suck.
Come on.
Suck. No!
Make it straight.
Play.
Play, we'll go see the duck.
Come see the
Come
duck.
on. Nalibalik ni siya, guys. Di ka po na siya. Wala siya kitang duck.
You gotta get it up.
There's no duck, buddy. That's why. Careful, there's a bike. Hello, nagyan na kan daddy. Ano, bye-bye. Bye-bye, daddy. And that's why, badlungan man ka. Mama. No, mama, daddy is not leaving you. Oy, daddy's checking if there's duck. Lagi ka po yung nakabaklay. Kaya ayun, lagi pagkabadlong. Biyanin ka. What's that? That's a bird. That's the bird. Where? Oh, come on, daddy. Oh, naadaw dito na.
Daddy.
Go, run. Run, daddy.
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Akala niya iniwan na siya ni daddy niya, guys. Very green dito, guys, no? Green grass of home. Daddy. Mura di amumong sa iyang daddy.
Come on. Up. Right,
Si Paris, guys, hindi man siya guys, wala man talaga.
Come on.
Hindi naman talaga yan siya mama's girl o daddy's girl before, guys. Very lang kami, but very ka-level lang kami ni Mike, guys. But recently, she's loving her daddy, guys. Ano siya, guys, kaninang umaga nga lang, guys, gano'n siya, palagi nang hinahanap yung daddy niya, guys.
Is there a light around here? That way. Ah, it's that way, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, isang other way pa.
All along.
Actually, it's quite far. You probably want to drive to the main car park and then
Oh, yeah.
there.
Alright, sweet. Thanks, guys.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Have Google Maps on the phone.
Yeah.
Bring that up and see how close it is.
Yeah, sweet. Thanks, guys.
Thank you. Guys, pataka naman si daddy, guys. Uy,
Thank you.
It's nice though.
pataka si daddy, guys.
Alright, sweet. Let's go.
Punta na kami, guys. Andun pala sa kabilang banta, guys. Si daddy, sabi niya, dito daw. Ay. But anyway, guys, yung sabi ko nga, si Paris, guys, hindi siya mama's girl, hindi siya daddy's girl, kasi very independent nga siya, guys. Pero, yun nga, recently, naging ano siya, guys, very, clingy siya sa daddy niya. Tapos, kaninang umaga, guys, pagkagising niya, nag-ano siya, kinuha niya yung picture ng daddy niya, guys, yung picture ng daddy, yung picture namin ni Mike, guys, nung kami pa, wala pa siya, wala pa si Paris. Kinuha niya, guys, tapos kumain siya ng, guys, breakfast. Nasa harapan lang niya yung, yung picture. Tapos, sinuturo niya, sabi niya, daddy. Tapos, nung natulog siya, guys, hinaghag niya yung frame niya, guys. Nakakatakot, guys, kaya parang nawala na siya ng daddy, guys. Uy, na-picture na lang ang hinag niya. Dala ko pala yung water niya, guys. Oh, kasi energy niya, guys. Anuhin na siya. Uhawin na siya, guys. Uuhawin.
Are you driving there or walking?
Yeah, we gotta drive. If she's saying that we have to drive, we should. It means it's a bit far. It will be very hard to put Paris in the car again, though.
Come on, we're gonna go see ducks.
Can you put it on your phone and see how far it is from here? Honey, shh. Wait. Wait a little bit.
Tell her. You gotta talk to her about this.
Come on. Come here. Hey guys, oh. Very yucky, guys.
Yeah.
Hindi, ano to ya, guys, ha? Hindi to siya pass, guys, ha? How far is it from here?
We're here.
We have to do this one. Is there a name or something? Shh. Yung ano ko, guys, ba yung mouth ulcer ko, guys. It's getting worse na siya, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, lambi na akong simod, guys. Lambi na daan, guys. Samot siya kalambi. Nilagyan ko ng guys, nung cream na binigay sa akin ng pharmacist, guys. Yung pangalan, Kenalog. Yun, maganda yun, guys. Kasi steroids daw yun, guys, eh. Nagpapanam siya, guys. Kasi very sore, eh. Nagpapanam siya nung nung mouth ulcer, guys.
Drive up.
Huh?
Drive up.
It'll be a bit hard for Paris to put in the car. She's gonna be like, no. And then you guys, oh, naguna-una na po ang bata, guys. The worst thing, guys, is dalawa siya, guys. Hindi lang siya isa. Naku, ibig sabihin, guys, stress na stress talaga, guys, kasi dalawa.
Go car. We'll go to see the ducks.
We'll go to the car, Nak. Do you want to see the ducks? Do you want to see the ducks? Come on. Can you hop in the car and sit in your car seat? Yeah, we'll go play with the ducks. Alin na?
Play with the ducks.
Yeah, come on, slide.
Come on.
Slide and then we'll go. Woohoo! Big girl, come on na. Come, let's go to the car. And we'll go see the ducks. Anak, here, this way, Nak.
Hey, get the ducks.
Okay. Can you do it?
Paris, I want to go to the duck.
Yeah, we'll play with the ducks. Come on. Guys, only what gini siya siyang giliwatan, guys.
Mommy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well done, honey. Oh my God. Yung bata, guys.
One more. The problem is now you're stuck.
Good job.
'Cause
You
can't
done
go.
it. High five. High five. Good girl. High five, Papa. Nah, guys, tira daw siya, guys. Oh.
No, Daddy.
No. What are you doing, Bob?
Daddy will hold. Daddy will hold.
Wait,
Jim.
This no swing, honey.
where are you going?
Come on, Gary, hurry na, Bob. Sabi ko na.
Ducks.
Go see the ducks! Yay! Yay! Go see the ducks!
Quack.
I think we're here, guys.
No, we're still a bit walk away.
Ay. Walk away pa daw. Taka rin ko. Sana oil. Ayun sila, guys. Papunta yun sila dun, guys. So maybe dito ngayon ducks, yung lake. Duck. You wanna see the duck?
Okay, Daddy.
Okay, Daddy.
Yellow duck.
Yellow duck.
Yellow duck. How many ducks you wanna see?
Fish.
Fish too. We'll see if there's fish, honey.
Baby's gonna see ducks.
Okay, Daddy.
Okay, Daddy. Very tabian na yan siya ngayon, guys. She won't shut up. Find it really, really cute, guys.
You can see the baby duck.
Kasi ngayon nakakausap na namin siya. Yung may sarili na ba siyang isip, guys. Before, she was like, baby. But ngayon, guys, she's a little girl na. I can't believe she'll be 2 next week. Parang kailan lang, guys. Ang laki-laki ko, guys. Dahil buntis ako. Ngayon, magto 2 years old na siya, guys.
Daddy duck.
Daddy duck? Mommy duck?
Mommy duck.
Uy, nakatakot man dito, guys. Oh,
Mommy duck.
very, bushy. Mommy duck? Where's mommy duck?
Oh no.
Oh, no. Malayo pa man siya, guys. This park is freaking big.
There.
Guys, sagbot-sagbot na siya, guys.
We down.
Katubahan niya, guys. Oh.
We down.
That way, Daddy.
We down.
Down. Baby duck. The baby duck sleeping. Basa na siya, guys. Oh, naglaro siya ng tubig, guys. Shush, duck sleep. The duck sleep.
Walk south on Dandenong Creek
But
Trail.
you is the duck. Daddy duck.
Daddy duck.
Mommy duck.
Mommy duck. Who else, Nak?
Baby duck.
Oh, baby duck. Yes. How about Tita duck? Huh?
My mom's.
Who else? Lola duck.
Papa duck. Tito.
This one.
Tito duck.
Tito duck.
Tito duck.
And the other one?
Tita duck.
Tita duck.
This one.
Baby duck.
Baby duck. Hala, guys. Andiyan na yung lake, guys. Oh. Kaya pala bahong pita. Oh, nga, may duck na sila. Just remember, we can't touch the water.
Butter. A fish.
Fish.
Right.
Fish and
Fish. Butter.
water. Ah, may laruan pala yun sila.
Birds.
Birds. Oh, yes, they got birds. Ah, lalaro sa mga bird, guys.
A bird. Ow.
Oh, okay. Careful. playing with the boat. Where's the duck? Ducky. Where's the duck?
Here's a duck.
Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Is he?
See? Careful, ha? Wait, wait. Birds. Birds.
Can we see?
Swim, swim. Bye bye, boat. Boat.
But,
What color is the boat?
but,
It's not red.
but.
It's orange.
Bye.
Paris.
Bye. You back. 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 Back.
Wow. Wow, it's spinning. Turn around.
Tabi po. Tabi po para vlog. Ay, katingad i.
Look at the duck. You see the duck?
Duck.
Yeah, that's a duck.
But.
It's fast, isn't it?
Oh no.
Uy. Ano po? Kanya.
Quack, quack, quack. Bye. Say bye-bye.
Careful, honey. Yung bata, guys. Oh, balong yung mata, guys. Eh. There,
What's your
guys. Malayo pa, mga layo mo ng, ano, guys, ang duck. Sobrang layo, guys. Hindi nyo makita.
Bye.
Play.
Yeah, that's a bite.
Ito, may dito, guys. Oh. What's that? Ayan, guys. Oh, ang...
Right here. Bird? You see birds?
There's a duck, nak. Oh!
Where? There.
Oh, it went under the water. So, nag-swim-swim ang duck, nak. Nawala. Oh, there it is. Layo kayo, guys. Di makita ni Paris.
Tomato.
Halok man diri, guys. Uy, baka may piranha. Daddy, do you reckon they'll got piranha here?
No. Watch your shoes. Stay on the bed.
Yep. Uy.
Hey Paris, what's that in the water?
Hi, Daddy.
Bye bye, Bart.
Where's Bart? Where's the Bart?
Paris.
Hi, Daddy.
Paris, show me your teeth.
Show Daddy teeth. Show Daddy teeth. Show Daddy teeth na.
Paris, look at the birds.
How many birds? Any ka? One. One? Two?
Park, where we used to go to the park.
Yay!
Like, put in different snakes are in there. Bad ones, redheads, brown.
Oh no.
It's far away na. Bye-bye na.
Tomato.
Baby duck! Guys, that's about it for today's video, guys. Uuwi na kami kasi malapit na magdilim, guys. Hadlok, may wakwak dito, guys. May wakwak, nak. Did you enjoy it, nak? Did you see the duck?
Quack, quack.
Huh? What's the sound of the duck? Quack, quack. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. As always, appreciate your time. And I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, guys. Kasama yung family ko guys, my little family. Mwah. So yeah, please hit that
Subscribe
thumbs
button.
up, thumbs up button daddy.
Subscribe
Una-una man na
button.
siya, uy. Okay, subscribe daw guys. Okay, tell them to subscribe daddy.
Subscribe or else.
Subscribe to our little channel guys for more videos. And uy, bless you. Bless you.
Mommy juice.
Mommy shoes. I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can,
Baby,
Oh, baby.
daddy,
be careful.
be careful. Bye. Bye guys.
Hello, baby. Hello, baby.
One, two,
Ready?
One,
One,
two,
two,
three.
three.
One,
two,
two,